Listen, they don't call me the comeback kid for nothing. All right, what's up, guys? It's me, Packy, with the house, and I'm here with TJ Rock, Junior Team USA bowler, Wichita State national champion, and we're here with some 50-pound pins. Stand right there. So this pin is 3.5 pounds-ish, and this pin that we're using today is gonna be 5 pounds, which means that rack down there of 10 pins is 50 total pounds, as opposed to a normal rack, which is like 35-ish pounds. TJ might have the upper hand here. He throws it real hard, and he throws a 16-pound ball. So
man weight.
He throws it at man weight.
Man weight.
Man weight. I'm certainly a step down to start the game, right out of the gate to start the match. Whatever words you want to use.
I like that, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, starting off with a split. There already was no chance of me making this, but now there's definitely no chance. Definitely not bouncing one of those. You might be able to, not me. You throw it hard with the heavy ball?
16 pounds. Man weight.
Probably plays quite the advantage.
Yep. Oh, that's good. Thank you.
This ain't easy.
No. I'm kind of glad they were heavy pins though, because that'd normally be a 3, 6, 7, 10.
3, 6, 10 with some friends on the left side of the deck.
Yep. Oh God.
It's a good spare. It's a good spare.
Thank you. Thank you.
I need my purple hammer.
It's the first spare I've ever had in the first frame ever in my life. It's crazy.
I'm gonna need a serious comeback. Looking at my locker, looking to try and get some balls out, maybe. All right, real close.
Hammer dark web. I just got it. It's pretty good. Pin over the bridge. Trying some new layouts.
Money! Whoa! Way!
Give me that. Don't give me that.
That 5 into the 7?
Yeah.
Maybe not even. I don't even know.
Oh, that's the hit. That's the hit I like right there.
Brought my closest thing to the purple hammer out. My counterattack solid.
Show me the layout.
You know, strong layout. Obviously, heavily used. Trying to make this thing to as close as a purple hammer as possible, so naturally I'll be hooking the hole in.
Well, oh, that's better.
This looks like all the other videos I shoot where I go 1v1.
This is a tough spare with the heavy pins.
I know.
Tough spare.
I don't know.
Oh God. Oh.
It's even tougher if you don't hit any.
Oh, that's better. Safe. Safe. Safe play. Spares are good. Spares are great.
Yeah, this is Inner Thoughts with Packy Hanrahan. I need to make my spares. I'll probably need to strike a couple times because TJ's got me by like 30, 40, 38. Made the ball change.
That's a wide margin.
I've made a move, and I didn't touch any pins. So here we go.
I'm a clown.
Guys, I promise I'm trying. I promise I'm trying. My purple hammer hooks from me. This rack's bad. There's no way I strike anyway.
If Packy strikes here, I need you to go like and subscribe.
Focus up here.
Follow the channel for the spare. Oh!
That was huge. First close frame.
Yes.
First close frame.
Yes. I told him to go like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
After this beatdown, they're not going to be liking anything besides TJ Rock. Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby. Wow. Crazy. Look at that. Look at that.
I'm in trouble.
16 pounds.
That was dead flush. He's got the ball speed. He's got the ball weight. Just need to make better shots than him, just like lefties always do.
Oh. Oh.
It definitely felt like a double. Listen, they don't call me the comeback kid for nothing. In fact, they don't call me that at all.
Strike. Oh my God.
Can't phase him.
Nope.
Can't phase him.
Can't phase the Rock. Can't do it.
Can't phase the Rock.
Can't
Wow.
phase the Rock.
I love that.
He just referred to himself as the Rock.
He did, and I love it. I love that he just referred to himself as the Rock. Got it into the lane a little quick, a little right, a little miss spare coming your way. I still can't believe he referred to himself as the Rock. Little back
It's a good spare.
If I had all spares, this game would be about 50 pins closer.
Still a close match. It doesn't matter, Packy. Oh my God. Oh, it matters. Oh, it's huge.
I didn't do anything. I literally,
It's huge.
literally didn't do anything.
It's huge.
This was a hard spare before the pins were heavy, and now it's way harder after the pins are heavy.
Spare. Oh, so close.
This is my opportunity to strike and only be down 32.
Ah! Wow. Wow. Those are the hits.
Only down 32 now. Just saying, we got ourselves a match.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie, they're hard out there.
Huh?
So I'm not gonna lie, they're not easy out there.
Oh, no. No.
Especially on the second ball.
Yeah.
That makes me nervous. I don't know why. Just like, it looks like it's going straight in the gutter, and then I'm like, oh, it's reactive, it's gonna hook.
Yeah. Gotta come back. He needed a prayer.
I needed that to strike so bad. That was huge.
That was 7 more than I thought you were gonna get.
I'm just so used to it hooking way more off the gutter, because it always does.
If you guys want 6 minutes. Oh, he got one that time. There you go.
I can still shoot a $180. I need some help.
Lots of help.
Not. I also need to not like throw it in the gutter.
Oh, that's bad. It's
I
fine.
just need him to split. God.
It's the 16 pounds.
It is the 16.
It's the 16 pounds.
The extra poundage is helping you out a little bit.
20 miles per hour. Easily.
20 when you want to.
Yeah.
My max is like 16, 5.
That's my slow.
Yeah.
Oh. I thought I missed that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought it was gonna hook.
That's the difference between me and you. You thought you missed that. I think I make mine, and I get none.
Needs all of them.
Listen, I don't know what happened. We're just not going to talk about it, okay? You need to hit the pin to have a chance to knock it 7.5 over.
2 for 2. Curve.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look. It's going bad.
Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. I got a chance to punch for 140 here.
Thank you. Those are the hits.
For some reason, that doesn't feel that bad.
That's a thumbnail.
Shut out in the 8th? Felt like I was shut out in the 3rd. Need one more here.
Don't go in the, there you go. Hey, it didn't go in the gutter.
See that pin? That pin was like 5 degrees.
It's a makeable spare.
On a spare shooter today.
Yeah. Oh, that's 10 pin.
Hey.
I threw it slow.
You did throw it slow. Only 16, which like 18.
Yeah, which is 18. That's very slow for me.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh. Yeah. 50 pin match ain't nothing to, ain't nothing to sweat.
Good game. Fair fight.
It was a good game.
It was close.
Out the gate, it was not looking good, and we finished not looking good. So a close 50 pin match.
Yeah.
TJ had the upper hand. You saw some crazy leaves, some weird hits,
yeah.
and a lot of balls slowing down really fast through the pin deck. So yeah, it was a fun match. Fun on these 50-pound pins, or this 50-pound rack as opposed to a normal 35. And don't forget, guys, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.